Hi and welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for clicking into this video. Today I am going to teach you how you can fix Facebook Lite something went wrong error. So make sure that you stay until the very end of the video so you won't miss any important information. So let's get on it. So Facebook something went wrong error may happen due to a system bug or because of the VPN or too many attempts of logging into your account. So you can take a couple of actions to correct this problem on your own. So before we look at these actions, you should check if you are using the most recent versions of your software and the Facebook Lite app. So you could attempt the following solutions if the Facebook and your device are both updated to the most recent versions. So the first one what you can do is to reload the Facebook page. So before attempting anything else, try refreshing your page or a few times if you keep seeing Facebook like something went wrong error when attempting to log into your account. So refreshing the page may help fix this issue because it might only occur temporarily. And to check if you can access your account, you can also close all the web pages, close your browser, and then reopen it. And the next, what you can do is clear all the cache data, cookies, browsing history on your device. So there are times when a minor problems result in a Facebook something went error. So this issue could be resolved by clearing all your cache data and browsing history. So go to the menu and then more tools, and then tap onto the clear browsing data and advanced if you are using Chrome. So cache cookies and your whole browser history can be cleared this way. And to erase all the cookies and cache in Firefox, navigate to the menu and then tap onto the settings and then privacy and security. So I'm sorry, this is wrong. And then tap onto the clear data. So next, what you can do is turn off your VPN. So a possible fix for the Facebook something went wrong error is to turn off your VPN. So you might try disabling your VPN so you can access Facebook if you use one. Additionally, you can attempt to disable every plugin and extensions you have installed on your web browser to check if any of them are a source of this issue. And then next, what you can do is switch to another device. The cure for Facebook something went wrong problem may be to switch your device. If you're accessing Facebook through a mobile app, you can try downloading the app to a different mobile device to see if you can log in. In addition, you can try using a mobile browser on your computer's web browser to verify if you see the same error. And then lastly, what you can do is to reset your Facebook. So you might try to reset your Facebook account if none of the alternatives I showed before. So you should try by going to the Facebook basic page to achieve this. Visit the basic Facebook page and log in into your account. So that's it for this video. I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and click notification bell button so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.